missed the Desert Sage review. I got something to say about that. I got 4 pair. Had 4 pair, let me say that. Let's keep it going. Shout outs to all this Corona shit going on. Changing the shoe game. As you know, Cinders were released online exclusively. This is a Cinder box. Well, this is a box from Finish Line that has Cinders inside of it. I'm going to do a comparison with the triple black Yeezys. That's the statics, non-reflective. I need y'all opinion. Are these Cinders black or Cinder? Or the closest thing we're going to get to another black Yeezy? I don't know. This is going to be my first time opening the box. I got a 9.5, 10.5, and a 10. If you're interested in any of those sizes, once again, link in the bio for the eBay store. We got you. Also, follow sneaker_swerve for Instagram. We got you. Let's see what this oversized box is doing here. This is I don't know how to. They need to stop doing that. Because Adidas actually sent a box that was like the right size. Let me not do that. These extra large boxes for smaller shoes is, you can't do that, bro. It's 2020, bro. We're trying to change the world, bro. Let's see what we got here. I got a 9.5. Thought maybe that I might want them as into personals. The price would go up immediately. It did. Like the market, man, this Corona stuff has the market all wiped out. This would have been a $300 shoe off the top, off release day in shipments and everything. 9.5 Cinders. Where you guys get a good look at the box for some comparison of your own down the line. It's a very nice box. I do good with Finish Line. When Finish Line sends boxes, they do look good. I'm not gonna lie to you. Uh-oh. Think I see what they're talking about? Some people say quality's the issue. I don't know what this one is. Let's see. We're gonna see what this. Look at this, ladies and gentlemen. It's a little bit, a couple of blues. That's gonna come off, bro. That's not quality control necessarily. Not to me. Like on little rubber soles, like on some shoes like this, it's not a big deal. That's coming off. It's your first little sole creep or whatever type of cleaning kit. That'll get it right. Look at this black, y'all. What's this right here? It's a little bit on. It's all right. Like I said, that's necessarily not a big deal. I want to say these aren't triple black, but these are light ash. Like, I'm not getting the whole, these are gray. I'm not getting that. Even though I know this is going to look way different. No aesthetic, no 3M laces. I like them. I sold my 10.5 already. Oops. Messing up. I sold my 10.5 already. So let me see what the comparison for the triple blacks are. Because I feel like they're an 80% match, quite frankly. Just got a couple little nuances. As you can see, how they did the stitching right through the center of the shoe has changed a little bit. As you see, there's a crisscross on the triple blacks, and the Cinders is going straight up. Let me kind of emphasize that again. Give you a closer look. These are the triple blacks. So that cross, and then the Cinders don't have that. So I believe the pattern. This pattern is obviously going straight up. I believe that the Desert Sages was no he didn't have this at all, so it was kind of pushed inside. So I like they're trying different techniques. Pull tab, as you guys know, has one, but no red stitching. Same thing with the stitching on the Cinders and the triple blacks as far as the front goes. I'm still a fan of the triple blacks. I think I'm going to keep the triple blacks. I'm not going to sell them. I was kind of contemplating it. These are personal keeps forever. This 9.5 Cinders will be on the eBay website. Link in the bio. Follow sneaker_swerve. If you want to do this with outside the eBay platform, you know how the regular rules go, bro. We're gifting only as friends. We're not doing business transactions on the PayPal because people can't handle it. Unfortunately, that's why I prefer do eBay. I give eBay the little $8, bro, just for you, bro, just for you, literally, just for you to have that security. Y'all, so if you see these for under retail, you've been needing a black Yeezy, grab these. These are a buy though. I'm not saying I'm gonna keep my triple blacks. These are trash. Not saying that. Not saying that, bro. These are our black Yeezy. This is what you need if you want to have an everyday wear Yeezy, comfortability wise, technology wise, fashion wise. Do it, bro. Go ahead and grab this for the 260, 270. You can do it right now. Because it will go up. I think this is something that's gonna go up. I don't necessarily know when with everything that's going on with the coronavirus, but I would say 2 months, probably. You know, if things get back to kicking in 2 months, where we don't have to do the social distancing in 2 months. After 2 months, these will be a high pickup. I say around 320. That's hand to hand consignment. That's what I'm focusing on these days. I'm doing a lot of consignment, as far as shipping the stadium goods or something like that. Got to get it in. I got a 10 black Yeezy. Got a 10 in these that's already out in New York. This 9.5 will be following suit. But then, like, I'll probably say I'll give it like 3 weeks. I'm gonna have this on eBay for 3 weeks. If I don't get any hits immediately, it's gonna be out there in New York Stadium goods. You know how we're getting down. You guys need any shoes? I still have the Strange Loves 8.5, guys. Yes, the reviews also on the page. Check those videos out. Let me know what I need to improve on, ladies and gentlemen. If you're a YouTube subscriber and you subscribe to my Instagram, the Instagram is sneaker_swerve. I have you on a discount. DM me. Let me know your size. I got you. We're doing sneaker reservations, especially through these trying times. So if you need anything, let me know. We're gonna get botted up. We're gonna have some more exclusive releases. I'm definitely gonna be at these at the skateboard shops on their heads and toes. You know, I need some of these releases that are coming out that are necessarily GRs, the SBs. So we get everything: Yeezy, SBs, Jordans. Come holler at me. Thank you. Sneaker Swerve.